congratulations, Vikram, for your success. I would like to ask you a few questions from you. How is the environment different in terms of tuitions in Switzerland and the education basically in Switzerland versus India? Because being there in some very good school and you opted to get coached from direction classes. So what makes you to come and join direction classes?
Well, initially I wasn't getting great grades, so I decided to come to classes. So we looked around and then we found direction classes. And the reason I come here is because the intensity of the work is much better than the intensity of work in Geneva. It's the pace is much faster, so I learned a lot more in a less smaller period of time. Also, they make me practice a lot, so I don't forget the stuff that I'm doing, the equations and all this. It's very good. My marks jumped a lot higher than they were before.
So a little bit of background is you were which standard and which board you were in, so you would like to share with us.
So I was in the IGCSE board, and I was in 9th standard. After my 9th standard, during the summer vacations when I came here, this was before my 10th, and before that I was getting maybe between 60 and 70% in maths. So I came here and I did some maths coaching for 1 month. And when I went back to school, my grades jumped automatically to above 90%, all of them.
So how would like to, you would like to give credit to whom? Basically?
I like to give credit to both Nikita ma'am and Subodh sir, because they both taught me different topics. So I was learning 2 topics at the same time from both different teachers, and I managed to cover the entire syllabus in just 1 month, which would normally take me 2 years in school.
So are you satisfied the way international boards works and they were able to cater to those kind of difficulties and all? So direction classes stood at that level?
Yes, they definitely stood exactly even higher actually than my teachers at school, and they managed to easily keep up with the international board and keep up with the same level as that easily. Very, very good.
So, what message would like to give the other aspirants of the similar kind of boards, or maybe they want to score high, maybe international students or students in India? What message would you like to give?
I would definitely recommend direction classes because they're very good and they teach very, very well. They give homework, they give practice questions, and it's very good. They mark everything, so you know how you're doing, you keep up, and you definitely get your money's worth. You definitely get your grades higher and much higher.
So, how about your parents? Are they satisfied with the grade which you have scored?
Yeah, my parents are both satisfied with the grade that I scored. I scored 88% in maths and 90% in physics.
I just heard about you have given a tough time for your teachers because that the timings which is there with you and in India. So as per Indian standard times, they taught you 11 in the night and 12 in the night also. Sometimes I heard. So how would you like to tell about the experience of the online classes which has happened from here to you? So how do you find the difference? Was there a good connect between you and teacher within the online things, or you are the right person to tell about that?
Actually, it was very, very good. Considering that they were teaching from 11 and 12 in the night, you would expect them to be tired, but no, they were perfectly fine, fully enthusiastic and energetic, and I was getting a proper class, proper lesson, and still it was the same as if I was here. I was getting the same proper coaching, same questions, same practice questions, same marking, everything was very, very good.
So, some statement of cheers for direction classes.
I love direction classes. It was very good. I love the atmosphere. The teachers here are very, very friendly and very nice, and I would definitely recommend anybody to come.
And how about direction nights?
Stay in school, stay here because these people are very good, and if you stay here, you'll definitely get good marks and you'll definitely do well in life.
Thanks, Vikram. Thanks a lot, and we wish you all the best for your future endeavors.